Hello everyone. This is an invitation you won't regret. Join me and become a data analyst. I can tell you, there's a plenty of work from home job opportunities for a data analyst. I have helped many companies in spotting the roadblocks of success and provide insights. The quadrant of doing business is a must. You must observe high revenue in your business. There's a missing piece if your business is operating yet no observed revenue. Join me to help you reach out to your goal. Become a member. If your business is struggling, there must be a problem. If your business is recovering, there's more you can do. And in order for you to develop a good model of success, then become a member of the Statistics Doctor Consultancy. Hello everyone, this is Professor Vincent Tori Bongolan, a data scientist by profession with more than 18 years of experience in technology and analytics. I would like to take this opportunity to invite each and every one of you to become part and parcel of the membership program of my YouTube channel. Let's connect and let's discuss how we can be of help.